Good morning, everyone. This is Bill Kemp, also known as the Home Exterior Guru. We're out at Mr. and Mrs. Newman's home this morning, where we did some beautiful Trimline replacement windows in their home for them. As you can see, these windows are kind of wanted to maintain the look of the original windows, so we went back with a exterior grid on it. The trim looks beautiful, and the window is a very, very nice looking window here.
The windows are wonderful. They have made all the difference in our 100-year-old house. We feel a difference when it's hot outside. We feel a difference when it's cold outside. We've been through maybe 2.5 seasons and we're more than pleased. The windows work wonderfully. They fit the motif of the house. They have enhanced its beauty and its comfort. Wouldn't have gone with anybody else. We went through the big boys. We had lots of presentations on windows, but when we experienced the Kemp brand, that was it. The price, the installation, the follow through, the ease of use, the ease of wash, and the Alclad windows beat out all of the others that we had experienced. We are so glad that we bought these beautiful windows. Yeah. Couldn't be